ridiculous. All right, welcome back to another video, y'all. The last video was yesterday, which was us coming back from Chicago. We're here in Lamborghini, Nashville. I've already been here for at least 2 hours, just sitting there, just chopping it up with the guys, chopping it up with the homies. But this Urus pulled up, right? This thing right here is actually insane. Look at the inside of this thing. Oh, it's locked. It's over with. But this thing is utterly insane. The orange interior, the gray body, the orange calipers. Then we have another one on the inside that's actually even more insane. So the color on that Urus out there is Grigio Telesto. That is the color on the Urus that's outside. We have a Storado sitting right here. There's another Storado that they do have. It's not here yet. It's here, but it's in service. So we're gonna come back and see that as well. And just to give you a hint, we may be getting an invite to the Tamario whenever it gets here. In this blue Technica right here. That's probably my favorite Technica. I love the blue, but this like satin white is on an entirely different level.
What up? What up?
You showed up, man. What you thinking? Wait, is this your first time up here?
My first time.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Dang, hold up. Man, I wish I would have known that.
This wasn't your last video.
Just on the back. Oh, it's moving. I thought moving ahead. I like that. It's signs everywhere, yo. You have to pay attention to the signs, bro. What's your favorite car in here right now?
Dude, I might have to say either the Urus, bro, or
the Technica?
Yeah.
The blue Technica back there. Let's go look at it, G.
Dude, I've actually never seen the inside of a Lambo, just in general.
What?
Yeah.
Come back. Come back. I got you,
Where I
G.
come from, this isn't normal. Dude, I'm about to manifest right now. I'm about to manifest right now, bro.
Look in there. You saw the hoodie. You like the hoodie?
Dude, I want to see that.
I got you, bro. I got you, G. It's gonna be. Give me. Oh yeah, bro. What you think? Outside, got the yellow calipers.
Everything is.
It's roomy in the back.
Dude, like in reality, one day when I get my future wife, this is what I want for her.
There it is, right there.
That's why I'm
Future
like,
wife. I like that.
Manifesting.
There it is. And it's a soft close, so like close it, but like.
Oh, this is okay. Yeah.
Don't slam it. Yeah. And then push it up, and.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah.
My Lexus
Crazy.
did that. Yeah.
Oh really? What? Oh, my bad. Big baller.
I didn't mean like that.
Big baller. My bad. I'm trying to get like you. I'm trying to get like you, chill. Dang. I'm trying to get like you.
My bad.
Yeah, G, this is Lamborghini Nashville, bro. This is the family home, bro. Whoa. Yeah, this is our family home, bro. This is
This is our future garage.
yeah, our future garage. Yeah,
This is our future garage.
our future garage. But we'll be buying from here. We'll be buying from Motor Cars in Chicago as well. So, cause that's new family now.
That's new fam.
That's
See,
new
I
family,
wish I
bro.
went with y'all that for that.
Oh, it's not the last one.
It's
Not the last one. We have a connection out there now.
Yeah.
My boy Siraj, if you're watching, bro, we appreciate all your hospitality, my guy. Like seriously.
Aren't they the same?
I mean, it's the same V10 platform, but
Yeah.
tuned differently.
Is this like the last of the V10s they can don't make? Because now they're
Before
gonna
the-
go twin turbo V8s.
Before the Tamario. Yep. Or is it Tamario or Tamario? The Tamario, yeah.
Wait, is it twin turbo V8s or twin turbo V6s?
2 turbo V8s. Almost 900 horsepower?
With an electric assisted?
Mm-hmm. It's insane, bro.
The first one, yeah. I just looked at the back.
Is it?
I don't know.
You know?
It says one of. I mean, unless they're all say one, but this is
One
one
of. Oh no. Nope. It's probably
That's
one
the
of the
first
first
one?
ones. Probably.
That's crazy.
It is crazy. Is this one used? I think this one's
I love
used.
that one because of the seatbelts.
What is?
Like,
Oh.
the same green.
Yeah, they're not.
Do they open? Is it open? No, it's not.
Yeah. It's just, and it's the
Dude, the
anniversary.
carbon buckets are wild.
Pulled up to 111, bro. There's a 765 sitting in the very front. the very front. I might have to pull around back. It's full of cars up here, bro. I think I gotta pull around back like I did last time. Look at what back here, man. Man, I remember being back here a minute ago. Oh, everybody has their parking spots. All right, y'all, we are here in 111 Motor Cars. First of all, look, we have a real life GT3 R car in here. We have an Ariel Atom V8. We have an AMG on this side. I think this is the GTS model. But my favorite car, two of my favorite cars of all, first of all, these are two of the most rarest cars that you're ever going to see. Well, one of them is not really that rare, but it's still nice. But we have the 765 LT. This thing is an absolute beauty. We'll be in a garage one day. Now let's go check out this other car. Then I'm going to give you guys a montage of this car, because this car right here we're going to definitely need on some like DDE type stuff, man. By the way, Pagani sign right there. Stay tuned for that. You're not going to miss that one. Like I said in the video, we are getting a Pagani here in Nashville now. Check this out though, the McLaren 620R. This is a real 620R with the Richard Mille on there, fully exposed on the back, big carbon fiber wing. You have the racing seat, then you have the heat exchangers and everything like that. You have the steering wheel that comes off. Everything on this car is strictly race car. 570S GT4. That is crazy.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane.
But yeah, guys, you guys let me know what you think about one of these being on the channel one day. Not street driving it though. We're gonna put it on the track. Definitely put it on the track, slide it around a little bit. You know, drive, be a real driver. Be a real driver. And we definitely need a 765 LT on the channel as well as a Pagani. Koenigsegg, Bugatti. We're gonna be like, I can see it now. We're going to be in a place like this with a lot of cars and a lot of your cars in there as well. How does that sound? Go ahead and get one more good look at this beautiful 765 LT, man. We're about to head out. We're actually about to head to Lamborghini to meet my boy KJ. I'm actually running late, so my boy, I do apologize. I got caught up in doing a lot of, talking and a lot of, business decisions that needs to be made, making business proposals, etc. But 111 Motor Cars, we will see you April 12th. You guys make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Run to Exotic. Follow 111 Motor Cars on Instagram as well. We will be helping them promote what this is soon to be one of the craziest car meets that Nashville has ever seen. I mark my words, it's gonna be one of the craziest car shows in more time that Nashville has ever seen. Open the door, open the door. What's good? Everybody got the camera out today.
You feel
Yes, sir.
On some chill stuff.
Yes, sir. Be random in the building. When last time y'all seen his face, man?
It's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Yes, sir.
When we got kicked out. When we got forcefully kicked out. Oh, bro.
Dang, we sure did, didn't we? She just need a bath. That's it.
Hey,
you get a little bath,
you can be
some
completely
wax.
honest, though. You can be completely honest with me. Because...
Bro, she just need a bath, bro. It's not like
That's what I'm
this.
saying, but
This
look at
just
though.
just looked like that. Like last week. I kid you not. It just needs a bath.
Yeah.
You should see how Storm look right now.
Oh.
Down bad.
Hold on, where's she at?
She at Infinity. It's in Journey because he just brought this back. The color on this Urus, my boy. And I think this might be a 2025. It might be a S. Oh my God, the white and the black and white stitching on the interior. Good God Almighty! I need one of these, bro. I need one. We're gonna have one maybe like next year, but it's like a daily. Maybe like next year. It's off the line. Off the lot.
Hey.
I know that Panda effect is crazy. Did you notice that the fenders are carbon fiber?
I did. I just seen that. Because the mirrors, too.
Yeah. Mirrors, fenders, the hood vents. All that stuff's carbon fiber. I don't know, bro. I gotta take the SE. That blue.
You gonna take that?
Yes. Oh, they took your favorite Urus.
I know, but I have a new one.
You got this one now?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't even see the bad black.
it's so pretty.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm talking 5% all the way around, champ. 5%, mind your business,
You
bro.
got to. This is that. This
Mind
that,
your business.
This that Batmobile.
Yeah, definitely. Take it to take to Cali, ship it out to Cali for a wide body kit. Probably from I don't know who I would get a wide body kit from for this.
Nah, this.
There's a lot of different wide body kits out there, but that's the Performante. So this like top of the line, right up under that one, right up under the SE. Completely honest.
Them lights, I'm really not rocking with it.
You not rocking? You like the originals?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the facelift on it, but I think that's because these are hybrids now, right?
Yeah, twin
Yeah.
turbo V8 hybrid, 800 horsepower. You get all that low end torque on it. So.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, we are about to go for a little short ride real quick.
Here we go.
In the new SE, man.
You gotta hear it, man. You gotta hear it.
Let's listen for this cold start. How about that for a cold start? My goodness, bro. And we have, like I said, this is what I call Oreo insides. That is insane. Oh man, this thing is nice in here, man. Regular years, but I haven't even like gotten a real feel of what a Urus is.
Hear that? It's like it's deeper exhaust note on it.
And it's hugging too.
Rear wheel steer, all-wheel drive.
That is impressive. It lost traction to all-wheel drive, y'all. Like
Cold
you have
tires,
to.
cold tires.
That's insane. You gotta warm. How does Manny Koshman say it? Gotta warm up those tires. That is insane. It doesn't get any better than that for an SUV like that. That is insane. Yeah. The handling in this thing is ridiculous. Oh my god. I can't wait to get one, y'all.
Hold up.
Hear the roar.
The SE, man. All the tires. You see the four-wheel steer? You see how the back tires turn too? It's crazy. There we go. That's what we like to see. I'm not gonna lie, the headlights are starting to grow on me.
I don't know if that's probably
It's starting to grow on me.
That's
G,
probably
I'm
not
not
gonna
gonna
change for you,
lie.
bro.
I'm not gonna lie, the headlights are definitely starting to grow on
Tell
me.
them, Rome. Tell them how different it is than first gen or Performante. It's just crazy.
Like, no, this is really on like a different level. I think this is the perfect daily for like an expensive SUV. That's what I think, in my opinion. Like, doesn't make any sense. And this is like fully like bone stock. All four tires are trying to like.
Mid-range rims. You got the carbon fiber on the interior fascia. You get the redesign on the front headlights, redesign in the rear, and then obviously 800 horsepower.
Jesus, man.
Additional weight, but that horsepower certainly makes up.
Yeah,
for
it
that
definitely
low-end
does.
torque, for sure.
That low end torque with the coming from the help of the hybrid motor. Listen to that. That is insane, bro. That is completely insane. Real quick before we leave, I know y'all want a montage of the outside and inside of this beautiful SE.
Told the DJ play my shit cause I know that we got a bop. But I ain't finna pass it, I'ma flip it, bitch, we got it locked. Tryna gas me up but she could barely move the needle. Oppas always hating cause they tryna do what we do. I know I'ma make it cause I need to. Feeling like Sean, I'm the Don. She the
Let me chill.
That is crazy work.
Oh,
Are you ready?
yeah.
I don't care, my moonroof is open. But guys, we're out here at Waldo's. It's like what, my third time being back this week. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that sunlight look good on me, don't it? Appreciate you, champ. But we're back at Waldo's. Like, guy, when the last time you been here?
Huh?
When last time you been here?
Last time was like probably
A few days ago.
yesterday.
I think I was 2 days ago. I believe. I think it's been 2 days. It might have been yesterday.
Probably.
I think it was yesterday. Yep.
That's what I'm
Sure
saying.
was yesterday. That's crazy work. Just 2 different times. All right, y'all. We have Waldo's. I did already eat one chicken tender. Not gonna lie. What you got?
Hey, I got the tenders with the buffalo with the fries with the bread.
It's a lot of wits. A lot of wits. And I got the chicken tenders with the Sprite, with the bread, with the fries, with the camera, with the phone,
With the drink. With the
I got
ketchup.
without the sauce.
Without the sauce.
Hey, that man closed out on the first G.
Hey.
They closed out the first G. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy. Please subscribe, and follow to Be Random, man.
Yes, sir. Be random. Check me out. You feel me? I'm gonna be doing some definitely car content. Just my lifestyle. You feel me? I don't be doing nothing, but I'm gonna get into some stuff for y'all, man. I got to. I'm gonna show love.
Oh wait. So we got. So we will. Yep, we just vlogging, chilling. Yeah, man. So y'all make sure y'all go support him, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep God first and that grind second, please, man. You know what I'm saying? We'll see you on the next one.
To
Peace out,
whoever
man.
may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worry. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines, one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude, knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2.